The ongoing debate surrounding the routine use of PSA testing for prostate cancer now has a new controversial study to add to the fire. The recent analysis indicates that it may do more harm than good. According to lead study author Matthew Bonwall, the total harms that men may experience in terms of impotence, incontinence, and other side effects from prostate cancer treatment can have severely adverse effects on their quality of life. Dr. Bonwall and his fellow researchers conducted a systematic review of the literature for data on the results of prostate-specific antigen testing, biopsy rates, and mortality-associated side effects from treatments like radical prostatectomy, as well as hospitalization rates associated with biopsy. However, he did acknowledge that there are circumstances, such as those surrounding high-risk groups, that may find the screening approach beneficial. The study authors found that under the best scenario from prostate cancer screening efficiency, the prevention of one death from prostate cancer is linked with a significant additional adverse event burden from undergoing biopsy and from treating the diagnosed disease. The United States Preventative Services Task Force recently recommended against performing routine screening with PSA for men who demonstrate symptoms. However, this recommendation has spurred significant controversy and disagreement among physicians and professional organizations.
A lot of the U.S. Preventive Task Force guidelines are telling people to stay away from PSA, and that's not the answer. The answer is for prostate cancer detection to do a PSA and combine it with the MRI, like many academic centers and other countries are doing, before you even move to a biopsy, and will help save many lives that way as well. So not only do we have now a very good treatment modality or way to help patients deal with low-grade prostate cancer, maintain quality of life, we have the ultimate detection technology to pick up tumor at its earliest stages and help save many, many lives.